Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Rinske Douna and this is my art channel. Today I will make a pour with a turquoise base. I created this flower and I poured around the bottle the same color, and I think that deep turquoise is so beautiful. I really want to create a painting in reverse, so a turquoise base and then white around the bottle. It will be a Dutch pour bloom, but I will tweak it more in the way of Tina's signature style. Have you seen that video of our collaboration? Because it turned out amazing and it really inspired me to do more tweaking in my pours. So that's the idea for this one, so let's get started. Alright, a beautiful turquoise base. Let's start with that. And this color is already quite dark, but it will even dry darker. And we want to use quite a lot of it. Also, I already painted the sides just a little bit because this color is transparent, and if I do the sides then mostly it dries also a little bit transparent, so if I have one layer already there then it will dry opaque. I'm really loving this color, and especially with white, it's so beautiful. I think there's already a lot of paint here, just a bit more in the center. I can really properly blow everything out. Missed a little corner there. Hopefully you guys are seeing this. Alright. Okay, so I will start with a phthalo green. And I do want quite a lot of that color. Then a winter blue. And the winter blue really dries dark, but now it looks quite vibrant. Then gold and then white around this. Not too much gold. Alright, let's go with the white. This will be interesting with a turquoise base. Let's blow it out. Alright, well, I would have liked to see a lot more white. So as you see in these paintings, it had a white background, but the color that I poured around it really created the colors of the petals. So the white's not picking up here, unfortunately. Colors are great though. Let me think about this here. Okay. So I do want to define first these petals a bit more. Okay, and then I wanted to tweak those petals already a little bit. But I'm thinking first let's spin it out and then do that, or not. No, I am gonna tweak a little bit of those petals. I'll be super curious to see how that look really when it's spinning out. Does look quite cool, doesn't it? Okay, let's see if the design will hold up when I spin it. So let's spin super gently. Well, it is looking so different and really cool. Really cool. The design holds up quite nice as well. This one is beautiful. It's so cool. It's really different. I'm really liking this. So it's not really a bloom. Yeah, of course we have the perfect bloom center there, but these are more leaf petals. This part. That's beautiful how that was spinned out. Should I spin a bit more? Just a little. But then again, I'm loving that one. But this one is not in balance, so I might tweak this. Now I'm gonna keep it like this and tweak this part so it's more in balance with the full piece. I'm loving that the tweak parts really stayed intact. That's beautiful. I'm really surprised. I feel maybe I can tweak just a little bit more, but it won't look as nice as how it got tweaked right now, right? Let's see for the composition. I think this will be perfect from this camera here. Fun one. Really fun one. I would love to hear what you think about tweaking these blooms more like this. I'm really surprised as well how this base is gonna dry and how that looks with all the colors in it. Yeah, I will touch up the sides just a little bit, let this dry and bring you up for the dried end result.